Morning slide. Students, today is 21st March 2022 and the day is Monday. 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 Let's do thought of the day. Use time wisely. Students, we should always try to use time wisely and never waste our time. Because once time is lost, we cannot get that back. Let's do knowledge and science. Who is the Chief Minister of Punjab? Shri Bhagwant Singh Mann is the Chief Minister of Punjab. Which is the nearest star to Earth? Sun is the nearest star to the Earth. Name the first Desi month. Chet is the first Desi month. How many 50 paisa coins make a rupee? 2 50 paisa coins make a rupee. How many primary colors are there? There are 3 primary colors: red, yellow and blue. Let's do tongue twister. Lucky rabbits like to cause a ruckus. Let's do words for practice. First word is which. WHICH, which. Second word is rich. RICH, rich. Third word is such. SUCH, such. Fourth word is much. MUCH, much. Fifth word is pinch. PINCH, pinch. That's all for today. Thanks, students.